In this video, we are going to see oxidation of glycol. Oxidation in the sense the oxygen is added to a particular compound, or in other words, the hydrogen is removed from the particular compounds by means of some reagents, right? So, if the oxygen adds to the compound, we call it as oxidation, and if the hydrogen eliminates from the compound, we may also call it as oxidation, because the removal of hydrogen is termed as oxidation, or addition of oxygen is also called as oxidation, and reduction is vice versa of the oxidation. So glycol, we build the formula for the glycol from scratch. In the previous video, the link have been provided in the description box. You can watch that out. So let's continue in the present video. So let's write the formula of glycol. What is the formula of glycol? CH2 OH CH2 OH. It's a formula for glycol, right? In the previous video, we have discussed the formula of glycol from the ethane. How we can derive the structural formula of glycol from ethane itself. So, if you watch the previous video, it may be easy for you to capture the present point. So, it's a glycol. Anyways, it's a glycol. So, we are going to add oxygen to this compound because our aim is to oxidize the glycol. So, the oxygen brings the 2 hydrogen from the glycol and oxidizes to CH2OH, right? This particular compound is termed as glycoldehyde. The term glycoldehyde is used because the aldehyde group is present within the glycol, so it is termed as glycoldehyde. So we are going to oxidize further. Further means not glycol. We are going to oxidize glycoldehyde. So we write the structural formula of glycoldehyde CHO CH2OH. It is termed as glycoldehyde. We are going to add oxygen to that. It may oxidize in 2 different ways. In one way, it may oxidize to COOH CH2OH. In one way, it may oxidize to COOH CH2OH, and in other way, it may oxidize to CHO. These 2 hydrogen are bonded by the oxygen present here and oxidizes to CHO. So this particular compound is termed as glycolic acid. What it called? Glycolic acid. So this particular compound is called glyoxal. So we are going to oxidize further the glyoxal and the glycolic acid separately, and we are going to get COOH CH2OH. This is called glycolic acid, and we are further oxidizing it, and it may form COOH CHO. Right? This particular compound is called glyoxalic acid. This particular compound is called glyoxalic acid, right? Glyoxalic acid. We are going to further oxidize the glyoxalic acid, and it produces COOH. This particular compound is called oxalic acid, right? The final product we get is the oxalic acid in the sequence of the reactions. Once again,